Hello greeting students, so I'm back again with another video. So in this video guys, I'll be showing you mathematics paper 1. This is a question paper which was written last year, and the reason for me to show you this paper is to show you the structure of the questions and also the types of the questions that you're gonna come across when you write your mathematics paper 1 November 2025. So please make sure that you watch this video through the end if you want to perform very well in your mathematics paper 1 so that you won't encounter any problems. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's get to today's work. So the very first thing you guys are going to do is to read your instruction and information. Never skip this part because this is a crucial part that guides you on how you should approach your paper or the questions. Okay, so this question paper consists of 9 pages. Answer the questions, all the questions. So number the answers correctly according to the numbering system used in this question paper. Clearly show all calculations, diagrams, graph, etc. that you have used in determining your answers. Answers only will not be necessary awarded full marks. You may use an approved scientific calculator, non-programmable and non-graphical unless stated otherwise. So if necessary, round answers off to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. Diagrams are not necessarily done to scale. So one diagram sheet for question 5.1 is attached at the end of the question paper. Write your name and the class on this sheet. In the spaces provided, attach the sheet for your answers script. So an information sheet with formula is included at the end of the question paper. Write neatly and legibly. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's get to it. So here's what you're gonna do guys. You're gonna have to pause the video so that you can be able to see everything clearly and understand everything clearly. So this is your question 1, questions and answers. Please make sure that you pause the video and then you study everything when you've paused the video. Okay, so those are your questions and answers in question 1.1. Okay, guys, you can pause the video. When you pause the video, you can copy the questions. You can try to answer everything on your own. Then you come back to the memo and check how you've been performing. Okay, so let me adjust the memo so you can see 1.2.3 clearly. So this one is allocated 13 marks, so you must aim for not anything less than 13 in question 1 so that you'll be able to make it and pass this paper. Okay, okay, without wasting time, let's go to question 2. All right, so this is your question 2, which has been allocated 20 marks, which is actually a lot. So make sure that you do practice aiming for not anything less than 20 marks in this question. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pause the video, then you try to check everything in this question paper. Okay, so those are actually your questions and answers at the other side. Okay, all right, I believe you all have paused the video and you checked everything out. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move to question 3. So those are your questions and answers in question 3. So as you can see, this one is also allocated 12 marks, so you must aim for that 12 so that you'll be able to it will be able to boost you so that you can pass at the end session of this examination. Okay, pause the video, study everything out. Okay. I believe you all have paused the video and you all have studied what you need to study in this question. Okay. Now let's move to question 4. So those are your questions and answers in question 4. Please pause the video, study everything which you need to study in this question. Okay. Alright guys, now let's move to question 5, and as you can see this one is allocated 13 marks, so please make sure that you do study in for that. So question 5, so those are your questions and answers in question 5. Please pause the video, check everything out so that you won't encounter problems. I'm giving you much time so that you can be able to check this question out. Okay. Alright guys, this one is allocated 8 marks, and I believe that you're gonna aim for not anything less than 8 in this question. So you must get everything, you must understand everything so that you'll be able to pass this paper. Okay, so now let's move over to question 6. Please pause the video and check 6.1, the questions and answers. Okay. Alright, also check the answers from 6.2 up to 6.5. So let me adjust the question paper as well. So those are your questions and answers from question 6. Pause the video, then you'll be able to see everything wonderfully. Alright, so question 7. Those are your questions and answers in question 7, which has been allocated 6 marks. So please pause the video, check everything out. Alright, so I'm going over to question 8. So this is your question 8, which has been allocated 8 marks. Please make sure you pause the video, you check everything which you need to check. Alright, now let's move to question 9. So right here is your question 9, the questions and answers. Question 9 has been allocated 7 marks, and you must make sure that you do understand that question so that you get that 7 marks. And as you can see, the total for the paper is 100 marks, so you must make sure that you aim for not anything less than 90 so that you'll be able to pass with good grades and produce distinctions. Okay, so even let me show you the diagram data sheet for question 5.1, and also the formula sheet. Okay, so those are your formulas which you need to be using. All right, guys, so this is the end of our video. Please make sure that you like this video, you leave your comment below, and also subscribe to this channel so that we may keep making videos like this that will help you in your future examination. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.